In a quiet town, there lived a young boy named Arjun. He was simple, shy, and not very good at studies. But there was one thing he truly loved: painting. Whenever he saw the sunrise, the flowing river, or children playing, he would take a piece of paper and draw. But sadly, people didn't take him seriously. His classmates laughed. "Look at Arjun's drawings. They are so funny." Even his relatives said, "Painting will never feed you. Stop wasting time." Arjun felt hurt, but he never gave up. He carried his small sketchbook everywhere. One day, while Arjun was sitting under a tree sketching the birds, an old teacher named Master Raman came by. Raman was known in the town for his wisdom. He looked at Arjun's drawings carefully and said, "These are beautiful, my child. Why do you look so sad then?" Arjun replied softly, "Sir, everyone says I am wasting my time. They say I will never become an artist." The teacher smiled gently and placed his hand on Arjun's shoulder. "Listen, Arjun. The world will always doubt those who dream differently. But remember this: if you believe in yourself, you will find the strength to prove them wrong. Belief is like a seed. If you water it every day with hard work, one day it will grow into a big tree of success." Arjun's eyes sparkled. That day changed his life. From the next morning, he woke up early, painted for hours, and practiced new techniques. Sometimes his colors ran out. Sometimes he had no paper, but he never stopped. He painted on old newspapers, on broken wooden boards, even on the walls of his small room. Days turned into months. Still, no one encouraged him. People laughed. "Look at that boy, always wasting time with colors." But Arjun remembered his teacher's words and kept believing. Years passed. One day, a well-known art collector visited the town. By chance, he saw some of Arjun's paintings displayed at the local school exhibition. He was amazed. "Who made these?" he asked. The principal pointed to Arjun. The collector smiled and said, "Young man, you have true talent. I want to display your art in the city gallery." Arjun could hardly believe his ears. A month later, his paintings were showcased in a big exhibition hall in the city. Hundreds of people admired his work. Some even bought his paintings for a high price. Newspapers wrote about him. "Young village boy becomes a rising artist." When Arjun read those lines, tears filled his eyes. He remembered all the insults, the laughter, the discouragement. But he also remembered one thing: the words of his teacher. He whispered to himself, "Yes, belief was the first step. Without it, I would have given up. With it, I found my true path." From that day, Arjun's story inspired many young dreamers in his town. He proved that success does not come from what others think of you, but from what you believe about yourself.